today we're gonna clean these monkey noodles. Head to the bathroom. Clean in the house. So first we will we're gonna put this up and then add some water.
Turn on to stop.
Oh wait, that's good.
Alrighty.
Now we're gonna dump all the monkey noodles.
Let's dump out our makeup first.
These are pretty gross.
Yeah, but if you think these are gross, just you wait until the next video.
It's gonna be gross, you guys.
Alright, let's add 10 pumps. 1,
This is
2,
10. No, 5. 3, 4, 5.
Oh, ew. Like, look at the water.
Yeah, the
Right.
Oh, I felt air. Yuck, you guys.
Ew, yeah.
You guys, look at the watercolor. Did you see how it changed?
Yeah, I changed so much. It's kind of satisfying.
We're going to wash these two and then put them in the bin and start to dry them.
See you
Here you
soon.
go, Elise. Put them in the bin. All right, you guys, that's all of them, so let's go. Let the water go.
Alrighty. And then
Now we're going to put some beautiful body mist that smells awesome. And
Yeah.
it is, Let's spray it.
oh, this is actually really nice. Right? There we go.
Okay, that's good. Let's go dry them. Forget Minion. He's a Head to the other bathroom. This is the other bathroom, and we're going to be getting... Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, that always slips my toe every time.
We're going to get a smaller towel so we can dry all these.
Ew,
guys.
still some hair residue on this.
We'll take off the excess hair. Guys, so let's dry these guys off. They are a little wet, and we're going to take off the excess hair.
Hi you guys, so I heard that the subscribe button didn't work, so please try it out and see if it works. Bye!
Guys, all of them are dried, and like this video. Bye! Guys, we got the monkey. We got the monkey noodles, so let's put them back in the fidget bin.
Oh my gosh, it's so clean. It's so much better. We'll be cleaning bad ones next.